Hey, let's go. Let's be aggressive.
Get there.
Your attack, all right?
Let's go, Kayden. Tayo, set something up.
Oh, come up. Stand up,
On
Kayden.
your toes, on your toes. Get on your toes.
Don't let him get that takedown.
Come up.
Stand up. Kayden, stand up. On your toes.
Yes.
Yes, Kayden, yes.
That looks kind of good, though.
Let's go, Kayden. Work on standing up. Come on, work on getting
Peel
up.
his hand and then come up. Kayden, peel his hands off with your other hand.
Kayden, get the arms off of your arm. Get your arm out, Kayden. Come on, you got this.
Now we move.
Now listen where you want to get up.
Ooh.
Come on, Kayden.
Kayden, buck your hips.
Get up, stand up. Work on getting up, Kayden. Now keep peeling those arms off. You got this, Kayden. Peel his arms off. Kayden, you gotta get to working. Kayden, you gotta get up. Start to work. Push his arm down. Fat man roll.
We gotta get our wrist back, kid.
Kayden, get your wrist out. Start getting to stand up.
My hand is right there. Use your hand to peel his off. Other hand, peel him off.
Get up, Kayden. Use your arm.
Short time.
Short time, Kayden. Short time.
Ref, time.
Come on.
Ref.
Breathe, Kayden, breathe. You got this, breathe.
There you go. Prospect.
Kayden, he's gonna be quick out the whistle. We gotta stop his
You
first
gotta
move.
break him down, Kayden.
Quick breakdown.
Quick breakdown. If he gets up, bring him down.
Chase.
Yes.
Good.
Power half. Work for the power. Yeah.
He's gotta get his wrist back.
Kayden, get the rest out. Work on getting up on your base, Kayden. Kayden, peel that hand. Yes, good.
Now come up.
Get up.
You
Stand
got
up.
nothing in right now.
Get
Stand
up. You got it. Stand up right away. You have this. Yeah, work on standing up, Kayden. Off your knees. Get on your toes.
Head off the mat. Come up.
Kayden, get your head off. Kayden,
Extend.
extend.
Yes.
Yes, good.
Now
Head
get up.
up. Stand up. Kayden, stand up.
All table workers.
Let's go, Kayden. Get up. Don't reach back. Get up. Let's go, Kayden. First off the whistle. Stand up, Kayden. Stand
Oh,
up.
watch the knee. I don't want to see that.
No, I don't either.
Kick that leg, Kayden.
Got that. Come on, you got this. Fight with your all, Kayden. Get up.
I thought they're not allowed to trap the leg behind the body anymore.
I don't think so. That's why he called it on that scene.
That's what I thought.
Come on, you got this. Breathe. Breathe. In through the nose,
Hey.
out through the mouth.
Kayden, short time. Look some cheap points. Look fat man roll. Look something.
Let's go, Kayden. You got this. Give him a battle. Off the whistle. Yeah, get up. Stand up right now.
Watch the turn!
Yes.
Watch the turn!
You got this, Kayden. Stand back up. Get back up. Short time. Release the punch down. Release the punch down. Kayden, punch that arm down.
Head off the mat.
Get your head off the mat. Yes.
Short time.
Front man roll. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth.
Kayden, what do you want? Hey, Kayden. Go top.
You got this, Kayden.
Keep him down, Kayden!
We gotta be quick. Quick with the breakdown.
You got this, Kayden. Yeah. Let's go, Kayden.
Climb up the turn!
Yeah, power half.
Climb up the turn!
You want the power half. Let's go, Kayden.
Other
Cradle. Cradle. Yeah.
Near side.
Near side.
Head in the
other
ribs.
leg. Other leg, Kayden. Get his inside leg.
Kayden, other leg.
Yeah.
Head in the ribs.
Come on, head to the rib.
Get behind
Head
him!
in the ribs.
Head in the ribs, drive
Head
it
in the
over.
ribs.
Kayden,
Head
get
in the
low.
ribs, Kayden.
You're gonna lose it! Get behind him!
Get behind him and head in the ribs.
Circle back!
Kayden,
Kayden,
five,
circle back!
five.
Circle back!
Circle behind him.
Stuff the head.
Let's go,
circle.
Kayden. Work. Kayden, keep on working.
Kayden, he's exhausted.
Kayden, you got this. Get behind him.
Get his arm out!
Yeah. Half. Run that half.
Kayden, power half on the far side.
Power half.
Run it
Power
hard.
half. Other way.
Stuff the head.
Other way. Get the arm that's behind you. Kayden, you got this. Stand up, Kayden.
Fight for his leg!
Kayden, near side. Good job.
You need something big, Kayden.
We need a takedown. Set something up.
Your attack.
He's tired. Attack. Yeah. Good. Good attack. Get behind him. Kayden, get behind him. Kayden, circle behind him.
Circle, stuff his head.
Stuff his head to the mat.
Keep sprawling,
Circle.
keep sprawling.
You got this. Get behind him. Yeah.
Circle, circle behind.
Circle behind. Yeah. Power half. Power half him now. Power half him now. Get back behind him.
Tried to get him to cut him the last 10 seconds.
Let's go, Kayden. During that.
4 to 6, that's respectable as hell.